deal, YouTube? It's your boy Rico the Waver, and we back with another one, man. For one, I just want to start off by saying I apologize for the lack of uploads. I did upload about a few days ago, but it's been slowed down a lot. And like my last uploads was like 3 weeks, a month. But we back, man. We back. You know, it's no excuses. I should be pumping them out more, but I've been focusing on getting things established behind the scenes. Like, we got new merch coming. As y'all know, we already got the oil that's just came. You feel me? Essence oil. I got a Rico the Waver's brush. 360 merch brush down here. If y'all haven't seen it, this is what it looks like. Y'all can check everything out, like more detailed pictures and stuff like that will be on the website. Everything will be on the website. And then I recently got some designer rags in. So some silky little designer rags. I got a few of those on the site. Y'all can check those out. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram so y'all can stay up to date. Delivering those locally, so those are going out quick. How to get deeper 360 waves. You want to just really just brush. Comb. Make sure you're combing just to, you know, loosen up the tension in your hair. And what I mean by that is, like, you know, it may be like hard to lay down that area, so you might want to comb it in a different direction to training. You know, so that's where combing comes into play, and also does a little bit in connections because you're fixing it in different areas and brushing it. But it all takes with brushing and fixing your brush angles too. To get your connections right, you gotta fix your brush angles. But basically, what you really need to do is woof. You gotta woof. Like, woofing is very important to the wave game. The reason why woofing is a thing, woofing is like, first of all, let me tell y'all what woofing is. Woofing is basically, for those of y'all who don't know, woofing is when you grow your hair out to its maximum capacity for a certain amount of weeks while still being laid down. So meaning still brushing, still doing your normal routines, you feel me, just stepped up to another notch. And at the same time your hair is growing out, you're not getting a cut. You're probably getting tapers and lineups, but no cut to the physical hair. Everything is just, everything is just still being laid down, brushed and stuff like that. That's basically what woofing is. So the key to deeper 360 waves is to woof. You gotta put in that work. You can't let up when you're woofing, because if you let up, the waves will fall back. My waves have fell back from when I was woofing. It took a major downside. Like, you cannot woof and not brush, bro. You will lose major progress. Like, if you're woofing and you're not brushing, you not only is gonna start over curling, your hair is not being trained, it's not being told to lay down by a brush, because you keep consistently brushing it and keeping the hair nice and healthy, washed. Gotta keep your hair washed, keep it washing. You wanna wash at least twice a week. Gotta wash at least twice a week, man. So for instance, like, I wash Sunday, I'm probably gonna wash again Thursday. So like that, or however you want to do it, whatever days are best for you, but you want to wash at least twice a week, man. So like I said, you gotta really woof and take care of it. Like I said, when I took that downfall, it took some time for me to come back. I feel like I'm fully back now. It took a lot of more training and just getting my way back to that level, and I feel like I'm at that level again. Now it's time to step it up and keep going up, you know? So now I have to go on a woof, another woof, to make up for that last woof, because the last woof was bad. So I'm gonna go on another woof. I don't know for how long, but I am gonna go on another woof, and I'm definitely gonna just make sure my hair is completely laid. Make sure you're double compressing. You know, you got your do-rag on. By the way, this is a Rico's merch rag. Surf rag, Sunburst edition. But that'll be on the website too. But like I said, you gotta double compress. So you definitely wanna double compress. I got a double compress video. I don't know if y'all ever seen it. It's deeper on my channel, but I'll probably make a new one, an improved one, real soon. So you gotta make sure you're double compressing just to lay down your hair. Even if you think that this do-rag is just gonna be the only thing to lay down your hair, you definitely want to double compress, man. I'm trying to find a rag real quick, but I don't have one right now. I just got the one I got on. But you make sure you double compress. Make sure your waves are, and when I mean by double compress, you mean do-rag and a cap. Do-rag and a cap on, so your waves can be just completely just, compressed in, you just gotta stay like hydrated. Stay hydrated, because hair health, it also goes with, you know, your face, your skin care, keeping your face, keeping all these different products out of your hair, using natural products, such as my 100% natural oil, and then you can also use other things. You know, I really be using oils and stuff like that with my hair when I start to go on high woofs, only because I don't want to keep it cake and butter and stuff like that, trying to get deeper into my scalp. I'd rather use something that has a dropper on it, like my oil does. You feel me? That's gonna drop into your scalp. You can literally put it on your scalp, drop it, and it's gonna go in that area that you feel is dry. Like, if you have an itching spot, okay, I wash my hair, but this spot is still itching. Okay, it needs to be oiled now. It needs moisture. It needs to be moisturized. Boom, drop the oil in there, and I'm feeling rejuvenated. But those are like the top key facts to just get in deeper waves. It all consists of brushing, woofing, combing, and taking care of your hair, drinking lots of water, and just staying hydrated, because the more hydrated you are, the less your pores are to be clogged up with these different unhealthy foods, like junk food and stuff like that. Unhealthy things. Yes, you might think like this is all deep to get. If you want the best waves, why not, you know, have the best, you feel me, body at the same time? Why not better your skin, better your body, get your body right while getting your waves right? This is a lifestyle for you, right? You think you treat waves like it's a lifestyle, then you get your stuff right. So, but you gotta know, like, when you're waving, my dude, it's a lifestyle. Like, it's deeper. You gotta go through the pain. You gotta go through the pain. You're gonna go through the times where you just wanna give up. You're gonna go through the times where you just don't wanna brush. You're gonna go through the times where you don't wanna throw your rag on. You're gonna go through the times where you just wanna give up and just quit. You wanna stop everything. You don't wanna brush no more. You don't wanna do anything. And at those times, you just gotta look at why you're doing this. You gotta look at the better outcome. You enjoy this, you've invested into this. You got plenty brushes, plenty do-rags, oils, butters. All that don't really mean nothing, but it's like, you need to find something that's gonna keep you pushing, keep that motivation, keep that encouragement. Whatever you're lacking in, you need to figure out what you're lacking in and what can you do to improve that. So once you found what you can do to improve that, because when you're waving, bro, you go through a lot. You go through a lot. It's a lot, trust. It may look like peaches and cream when you see me all waved up and you starting out and you trying to get waves, but it's not working for you. You gotta trust the process. I've been through that. I've been through the struggles of not wanting to. I still go through that personally. Sometimes I'll be like, man, I just want my fro back. Man, I don't want to brush no more. This is dumb. Like, I don't feel like brushing. This is too much work. But it's really not. It's really not. All you need is 30 minutes out your day. But in the beginning, of course, it's gonna be a lot, because it's like you want your waves to bust, so you're gonna be brushing a lot more. You're gonna be brushing more than 30 minutes a day. You can slow it down, but the process is gonna be slower in the beginning. So you can get 30-minute brush sessions a day. You can just do one 30-minute brush session a day. That's it. That's all you can do. It's okay, because you're still getting work and it's still process. But if you want to take your waves to that next level, of course, go all out. Brush every chance you get, because at this point, you're trying to get your waves to come in. You're trying to get your waves to lock in. You're trying to get your waves to just be on that next level, so you consistently brushing. But I know it's a lot right now, but it's gonna be a better outcome in the end. So you just gotta really just keep brushing, keep that motivation, watch your favorite YouTuber, find something to do while you're in your brush sessions. You don't have to just brush your hair and just sit in the mirror and just brush your hair blind. Not blind, I'm sorry. Brush your hair. You don't have to sit in the mirror and brush your hair with nothing to watch, nothing on, nothing like that. What I do personally in my brush session, I come in my bathroom, my little section. Y'all see I got the brushes back here. I come in my little section. Okay, boom. You don't have to have this many brushes. This is just what I accumulated over time. I do use some from time to time. Some be sitting, some are just here to look good, because I don't be using them like that anymore. But but some of them I still do use. Some of them also need to be washed. I'm gonna keep it 100. But I'll sit right here. Recently, my rotation been this. This fancy looking one right here, nice. The OG brush that I feel like got me to that level. So once you have that brush that you feel like yeah, this one right here is in my waves is just A1. Boom. Then I get that softy right here. There's another one where I was like, yeah, at this time period when I was really using this one, I feel like my waves is A1. So I get those three. This is a medium, medium soft, and a complete medium. And you don't have to have 3 different brushes in the beginning. This is just what I do because I'm at a different stage where I want to try to use a hard, medium, soft right now. But because my hair is not completely thick, like, you know, at higher lengths, like it ain't been that many weeks since I've been at the barbershop, and my hair is trained, it's at a lower level. It's not, it might be thick and a lot of hair, but it's really low. So I don't really have to brush with a hard brush because my hair is already down to the scalp. But you know, even though it is trained and it's trained to lay down, it's still good to use the hard brush because you want to brush down at the scalp. That's where the waves are going to come in from. So when you're woofing, you always got to keep a hard brush. And don't think I don't have them in my arsenal. Hard, the reason why it has the scratches, but this is just my wash brush, my whatever brush, but this brush is completely hard. This one right here, and then I also have another brush over here that is completely hard. This one right here. So when these are stupid hard brushes right here. There's stuff harder than this. You feel me? Those are my hard brushes for when I'm woofing. So those you really not gonna see me using like that unless I start getting to high woofs. Then I'll transition. But like I said, find that brush. You know, even if you gotta buy yourself a fancy looking brush because you know that this brush looks nice, so you wanna brush with it. It feels nice because you wanna brush with it. All right, y'all, I've been doing a lot of talking, man. With that being said, just make sure you keep that motivation, man. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy, Rico the Waver. I'm checking out. Don't forget to subscribe to my gaming channel. That's where I've been at, y'all. And also on the couple channel, man. It's Rico the Waver. I'm checking out. Gang.